guys, welcome back to my channel. These are hand painted frizz magnets. I have decorated these all with Madhubani art. To make these beautiful frizz magnets, we need molded clay and a soft magnet sheet. I bought this magnet sheet just in rupees 80 from a local stationery shop. Online it is showing high price, so be careful when you buy it. So first take molded clay. I have taken 1.5 packet. Mix both the compound nicely. Make a dough like this. Use talcum. Any talcum you can use, then it will not be sticky on your hands. Then roll it. Roll it like a chapati. Then we need these cutouts. Cutout link is provided in description box. You can download from there. Set your cutouts like this and mark it with a sketch pen. Then for next step I am using pen cutter. This step will take little time. Do with patience. For a circle shape cutout I am using a kitchen bowl. Now first step is complete. These molds are ready. Now let them dry at least 5 to 6 hours. For second step we need magnet sheet. Now place the molds on magnet sheet and trace the molds like this. See, I can cut this sheet easily. Now paste it with the help of fevicryl like this. Now put some pressure to paste it nicely. So here I am using books. Books is a nice option. Now let it dry at least for an hour. Now it is ready to do artwork. First apply a coat of texture white or gesso or white color acrylic paint for a base color. First I am going to decorate this fish. So here we need to do marking. So here draw some Madhubani patterns. Guys, first time I am going to try this kind of product with Madhubani folk art. So I am so excited. So if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. For coloring I am using Ohu acrylic paint markers. These paint markers are easy to use. If you don't have this kind of paint markers, no problem. You can use any acrylic paints, whatever is available. Coloring part is complete. To add detailing I am using micron pen. First do outline. Now we will add Madhubani pattern. simply added lining patterns, which you guys can do easily. And finally, we will color the sides. You can use any dark color to color sides. Second, I am going to decorate this circle. For marking, I am using some objects. So first do marking in this way. So here I am going to decorate it as Madhubani sun. Accordingly, I am going to add design with pencil first. Then color it. If you find out the video is little fast, then you can pause it and do all the steps slowly with patience. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can ask me, you can comment in comment box, definitely I'll reply you. Now add Madhubani detailing. And finally the sun is complete. And the last one is this owl. So we will repeat the same steps. First do marking. Now add colors in it, and coloring part is really easy in this owl. In this way, complete the coloring part, then add Madhubani detailing. And Madhubani detailing is complete here. This is my dot mandala tool. Now I am going to add additional step here. Yes, you guess it right. I am going to add some dots here. If you don't have dot mandala tools, no worries. You can do this step with matchstick or toothpick. It is looking more pretty after adding these dots. If you want to learn dot mandala, I have uploaded easy tutorials on my channel. You can check my channel playlist to learn dot mandala. And I am loving these dots, so I am going to add some dots in fish also. After completing your artwork, lock your product with varnish. I forgot to shoot this part, so do not miss this step. Varnish will give it a glossy look and will protect your product with dust and dirt. And finally, our frizz magnets are complete. My favorite one is this owl. Which one you like the most? Comment below and tell me. Now you can decorate your frizz in your own style. And my little one loved this fish magnet. Which one you like the most? Don't forget to share with me. And also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.